Are you looking for a way to boost your income and overcome your financial hurdles? Do you want to build a business model that can grow with you and meet your ambitions? Affiliate marketing could be the answer. It offers excellent scalability, allowing you to start by understanding your market, automating tasks, and commission from each sales. You can also diversify your income streams, learn new tricks, and adapt to the digital world's constant changes. Guys, let me share my story with you. I came to this country with the big dreams and aspirations. Recently, I found my dull office job and embraced affiliate marketing. Now my business almost runs itself, allowing me to spend more time with my family. Plus, this opportunity is global. You need a good internet connection, a phone, and 1 or 2 hours daily. So probably you ask, how can I succeed in affiliate marketing? By focusing on these essential pillars, you are laying the foundation of the successful legacy that evolves, innovates, and grows. Are you ready to take a leap and achieve financial prosperity and personal satisfaction? Let's do it together. By leaving a comment guide, I will send you the free guide to start your journey in affiliate marketing. Like, subscribe, and be tuned for the next video.